Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be talking about a PDF generation library in PHP. So the name of the library is FPDF library. So this is a PDF generation library in PHP. Basically it is a PHP class which allows you to generate PDF files with pure PHP. This is its official website. You can even download it. Go to the download section and download the latest zip file here. Click the zip section and it would download the zip file. And now you just need to start a web server inside your computer. I am using exam control panel, and after that you just need to make a new folder. I have made this PDF generation here. Just extract the zip files and it will extract this for you. This is a fpdf php file here, so I have already opened this inside my editor. So if you open this file, you will see a lot of code out there. So this is a complete library out there. Now just make a index.php file, and the first thing that we need to do here is that make the PHP tags. First of all, you need to require this library, so just make a require statement and include this fpdf.php because this is in the same directory. So here I am just writing fpdf.php, put a semicolon. And now to generate a very simple PDF documents, there are tutorials available, so just click the tutorial section, and the tutorial one will give you the minimum example that you will need. First of all, we will just copy paste this example here, paste it. So basically first, in the first step, we are initializing the new constructor of fpdf, and then we are adding a new page by the method add page. Then we are setting the font, and we are setting some text which is hello world, and then we are outputting it. Now if I save this, and now if I run this script, you will see that a hello world PDF document will be generated. This is the document here. You can even download this by clicking the download button. And now if I make any kind of changes here, let's suppose hello world, this is a PDF document. If I save the changes, you will see that it will again generate a new document with the changes made. So this is a way by which you can generate it. And now the second example that I will show you, it is very simple to add images also. So the second example is there. Click on the tutorial 2, and you just need to copy paste all this code here. Paste it, and now it is adding images as well. So basically with this method image, here you can just pass any kind of image here. I have this image inside my directory which is logo.jpg, so I will just change this to logo.jpg. And now if I made these changes, refresh it, you will see that it will add this image to the PDF file. You can see that it contains 2 pages in the PDF document like this. So if you just repeat it for the third time, let's suppose if I add one more page, if I just copy this line and repeat it once more or 4 more times, so it will add 4 more pages to the PDF document. Now the pages will become 5 here. You can see that 5 pages are there. So in this easy way, you can add as many pages to your PDF document using this add page method. So these are the 2 examples that I want to show you in this tutorial, that how to make a very simple PDF document, how to add images, and how to add some text to your PDF document.